How to use Speechify. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you the complete basic workflow, adding your text, opening it in the reader, and listening with full control over the voice and the speed. Let us jump straight in. This is the Speechify web app right after you log in. You get a task box up top and workflow tabs underneath. But for plain listening, you only need this first tab, Listen to Text. From here, you can upload a file from your computer, pull one in from Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, paste a link to any web page, or simply paste text, which is what I will do. Click Paste Text and the Add Text dialog opens. The title is optional, but it keeps your library tidy, so I will name this one The Printing Press. Then click into the text box and add your content. I am pasting a short passage. When it looks right, click Save File. The document opens straight into the reader. Your text sits front and center with clean formatting, and everything you need next is on this one screen. Click the big Listen button at the bottom. Speechify starts reading immediately and highlights each sentence and each word as it goes, so your eyes can follow along. The player bar gives you a mute toggle, 10-second skips in both directions, and pause. To change the voice, click the voice button on the player bar. A picker opens with the full list of AI voices. Preview any of them and switch with one click. To change the speed, click the speed control next to it. You can slow things down for careful reading, or push it past 1x gradually as your ears adjust. The highlighting makes fast listening much easier to follow than you would expect. When you are done, close the player and close the document. You land back in your library, where every file you have added lives, with sort, filters, search, and a progress column that remembers how far you listened, so you can always pick up where you left off. And that is the complete basic workflow. Paste or upload, listen, and adjust the voice and speed to taste, while the library tracks your progress. If this helped, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.